वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः.
Thank you, Sai Nishan. Welcome to all the children for the Sanskriti program. Last week we did 9 to 13 Aditya Hridayam verses. Who can chant of your own from 9 to 13, one by one? 9th, anybody can chant? Just tell your name and start. 9th sloka. Who is that?
Amma Adya.
Adya. Okay, start.
पितरो वसवस्ताध्या यश्विनो मरुतो मनुः वायुर्वह्नि प्रजाप्राणः ऋतुकर्ता प्रभाकरः
Very good.
आदित्य सविता सूर्यः खगः पूषा गभस्तिमान् सुवर्णसदृशो भानुर्हिरण्यरेता दिवाकरः
So wait, Adya. It is Vishwareta Prabhakaraha, no? Is it Hiranya?
In this it
Okay.
is Hiranya.
Yeah, it is Hiranya. Okay. That is enough. Other slokas, somebody else can chant? Anybody? Other than 11th sloka? Yeah? You have to chant of your own. Is it possible? Yakshita? Can you chant? Start then. 11th sloka. You want me to repeat?
Yes, Amma.
You cannot chant. Last week you are not there?
No.
No. Okay. Anybody else? Vishruta?
Yes, Amma.
11th you can chant?
Amma, I'll try.
Okay. Try.
हरिदश्व सहस्रचि सप्त मरीचिमान् तिमिरोन्मतनः शम्भु सस्त्वमर्ताण्डमसुमान्.
Wait. You can repeat after me, okay?
Yes,
Haridashva sahasrarchihi
हरिदश्व सहस्रार्चिः
sapta saptir marichiman
सप्तमरीचिमान्
timironmadhana shambhuhu
तिमिरोन्मतनः शम्भुः
tvashta martanda amshuman.
त्वष्टा मार्ताण्डमसुमान्.
Okay, you have to pronounce correctly, you have to learn and chant correctly. Okay, next Virat, can you chant 12th one?
I can try.
Try.
हिरण्यगर्भ शिशिर
Sapano, Shishiraha,
शिशिरः
Tapano, Bhaskaro, Ravihi,
तपनो भास्करो रविः अग्निगर्भोदिते पुत्रः शङ्कः शिशिराणः
Shishiranashanaha.
शिशिरनाशनः
13th, Vyomanata,
व्योमनाथ
Stamobhedi,
स्तमोभेदी
Rigyaju, Samaparagaha,
ऋग्यजुसामपारग
Paragaha,
पारगः
Ghanavrishtirapaam mitro,
घनविष्ठिर अपामित्रो
विन्द्यवीति प्लवङ्गमः
विन्द्यवीति प्लवङ्गमः
Okay. See, when we are learning, you have to do some homework also. Then only you will be able to proceed. We have to finish it, no? This has got 30 slokas. So we can do only in one class for 2-3 children. Others have to listen and practice yourself. Okay. Now next, Snigdha. Snigdha is there?
Yes,
Or
Amma.
Lasya? Snigdha. You repeat 14th
Okay.
sloka. Okay. Whatever
Okay.
you are learning today, next Sunday you have to reproduce. You have to learn at home little bit time every day you spend. You can repeat. Okay, 14th sloka.
Okay.
Atapi mandali mrityuhu
आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः
pingala sarvatapanah
पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः
Atapi mandali mrityuhu
आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः
pingala sarvatapanah
पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः
कविर्विश्वो महातेजा
कविर्विश्वो महातेज
रक्त सर्वभवोद्भवः
रक्तसर्वभवोद्भवः
कविर्विश्वो महातेजा
कविर्विश्वो महातेज
रक्त सर्वभवोद्भवः
रक्तसर्वभवोद्भवः
फर्स्ट लाइन फुल आतपी मंडली मृत्युः पिंगल
आतपी-
सर्वतापनः फुल लाइन
आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः
कविर्विश्वो महातेजा रक्त सर्वभवोद्भवः
कविर्विश्वो महातेजः रक्तसर्वभवोद्भवः
It is Mahateja, no Tejaha. Okay. Kavirvishwo Mahateja Rakta Sarva Bhavodbhavah.
कविर्विश्वो महातेजः
No, Mahateja.
महातेज सर्वभवोद्भवः
Okay, in this it is given Tejaha, it is given. Okay, you can say Tejaha. Dirgha is there. Okay. Kavirvishwo Mahatejaha. Okay. Now full sloka. Atapi mandali mrityuhu pingala sarvatapanah kavirvishwo mahatejah rakta sarvabhavudbhavah.
आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेजः रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः
Tejah. It is dirgha is there, no?
Yes.
Repeat. Second line.
कविर्विश्वो महातेजः
Tejah.
तेजः रक्तसर्वभवोद्भवः
Once more. Full 2 lines.
आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेजः रक्तसर्वभवोद्भवः
Very good. You chanted correctly this time. Learned like that only. Okay, next. Lasya is there. Last week she wanted to chant. Is she at?
She's not
Available?
there. Last
She is not there. Okay, then Rakshita, you can repeat after me. Rakshita,
Rakshita, are you able to unmute?
Yes, Amma.
15th sloka. Nakshatra graha taranam
नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम्
adhipo vishwabhavanah.
Can you repeat?
अधिपो विश्वभावनः
अधिपो विश्वभावनः
नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम्
नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम्
अधिपो विश्वभावनः
अधिपो विश्वभावनः
तेजसामपि तेजस्वी
तेजसामपि तेजस्वी
द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते
द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते
तेजसामपि तेजस्वी
तेजसामपि तेजस्वी
द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते
द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते
फर्स्ट लाइन फुल नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः
नक्षत्रो ग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः
तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते
तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते
फुल श्लोक नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते
नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते
Okay, very good. Practice like this. Okay. Next 16th shloka. Who is ready to repeat after me?
Amahanya.
Hanya. Other than nobody has done so far. I want somebody who has not done so far.
Vaishnavi.
V Vaishnavi. And anybody else? Samapriya. Huh? Okay, Samapriya, you can repeat after me. Okay. 16th. Namah Purvaya Giraye
Namah Purvaya Giraye.
Paschimayadraye Namaha
Pashchimayadraye Namaha.
Namah Purvaya Giraye
Namah Purvaya Giraye.
Paschimayadraye Namaha
Pashchimayadraye Namaha.
Jyotirgananam Pataye
Jyotirgananam Pataye.
Dinadhipataye Namaha
Dinadhipataye Namaha.
Jyotirgananam Pataye
Jyotirgananam Pataye.
Dinadhipataye Namaha.
Dinadhipataye Namaha.
First line full. Namah Purvaya Giraye Paschimayadraye Namaha
Namah Purvaya Giraye Pashchimayadraye Namaha.
Jyotirgananam Pataye Dinadhipataye Namaha
Jyotirgananam Pataye Dinadhipataye Namaha.
Now full sloka. Namah Purvaya Giraye Paschimayadraye Namaha Jyotirgananam Pataye Dinadhipataye Namaha
Namah Purvaya Giraye Pashchimayadraye Namaha. Jyotirgananam Pataye Dinadhipataye Namaha.
Once more, you need not say Namaha Purvaya, Namah Purvaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat.
Namah Purvaya Giraye Pashchimayadraye Namaha. Jyotirgananam Pataye Dinadhipataye Namaha.
Okay, thank you. One more. Can I do, Soumya? Time is there?
One more you can do, ma.
One more. Okay.
can you do
Anybody? Sai
Sai
Nishan. Okay. 17th sloka. Jayaya Jaya Bhadraya
Jayaya Jaya Bhadraya
Haryashvaya Namo Namaha.
Haryashvaya Namo Namaha.
Jayaya Jaya Bhadraya
Jayaya Jaya Bhadraya
Haryashvaya Namo Namaha.
Haryashvaya Namo Namaha.
Namo Namah Sahasramsho
Namo Namah Sahasramsho
Adityaya Namo Namaha.
Adityaya Namo Namaha.
Namo Namah Sahasramsho
Namo Namah Sahasramsho
Adityaya Namo Namaha.
Adityaya Namo Namaha.
Jayaya Jaya Bhadraya Haryashvaya Namo Namaha.
Jayaya Jaya Bhadraya Haryashvaya Namo Namaha.
Namo Namah Sahasramsho Adityaya Namo Namaha.
Namo Namah Sahasramo Adityaya Namo Namaha.
Sahasramsho. Tell me.
Okay. Sahasramsho.
Yeah. Jayaya Jaya Bhadraya Haryashvaya Namo Namaha. Namo Namah Sahasramsho Adityaya Namo Namaha.
Jayaya Jaya Bhadraya Haryashvaya Namo Namaha. Namo Namah Sahasramsho Adityaya Namo Namaha.
Very good. Once more.
Jayaya Jaya Bhadraya Haryashvaya Namo Namaha. Namo Namah Sahasramsho Adityaya Namo Namaha.
Okay, thank you. Children, all of you have to
One more
listen.
also, I think we have.
One more. Okay. Children, all of you listen in your unmuted space and repeat after me. Then only you will be able to learn. Okay. One more sloka we will go. Who is that going to chant?
Ma, this is Hasini.
Hasini. Okay, Hasini can chant. 18th sloka. Nama Ugraya Viraya
Nama Ugraya Viraya
Sarangaya Namo Namaha.
Sarangaya Namo Namaha.
Namah Padma Prabodhaya
Nama Padma Prabodhaya
Martandhaya Namo Namaha.
Martandaya Namo Namaha.
Nama Ugraya Viraya
Nama Ugraya Viraya
Sarangaya Namo Namaha.
Sarangaya Namo Namaha.
Namah Padma Prabodhaya
Nama Padma Prabodhaya
Martandaya Namo Namaha.
Martandaya Namo Namaha.
Nama Ugraya Viraya Sarangaya Namo Namaha.
Nama Ugraya Viraya Sarangaya Namo Namaha.
Namah Padma Prabodhaya Martandaya Namo Namaha.
Nama Padma Prabodhaya Martandaya Namo Namaha.
Nama Ugraya Viraya Sarangaya Namo Namaha. Namah Padma Prabodhaya Martandaya Namo Namaha.
Nama Ugraya Viraya Sarangaya Namo Namaha. Nama Padma Prabodhaya Martandaya Namo Namaha.
Thank you. Children, all of you, please learn this Aditya Hridayam is very, very important slokas. Your intellect will be sharpened by chanting these slokas. Once you learn all the 30 slokas, every Sunday you can chant in front of sun. That will give you lot of blessings. Okay. So please do some homework. Listen to the recording which I am sending in the group and learn it yourself. So next week, these 5 slokas, anybody should be able to repeat. Thank you. Over to Soumya ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, children. So today we will you'll all listen to a lesser known, I think, story from the Mahabharata. So Mahabharata is such a great epic, and it has stories inside stories, and there are stories within stories. Okay, so we will look at one such episode today. Okay, so you all must have heard of the Wax Palace incident where the Kauravas tried to kill Pandavas. Okay, so this incident is after that. Okay, so the Wax Palace incident, if you do not know, it's a very briefly. The Pandavas stay in a Wax Palace, and the Kauravas try to, they fire it, and they try to kill the Pandavas, and but the Pandavas manage to escape from the Wax Palace into the forest. Now what happens? The Kauravas, they think they have killed the Pandavas and they are celebrating, and then they also go further into the forest after that incident. They go around exploring the forest, okay, hunting and exploring the forest. And as they go forward, okay, Duryodhana and his brothers, they come across a very beautiful, glowing, magical kind of lake. Okay, and they are attracted. They see, they are amazed by that lake. So they go near the lake, and then immediately Duryodhana thinks it's such a beautiful lake. So this is mine. And he, like, right royal, walks into the lake. So immediately, who appears? Gandharvas. Okay, Gandharvas are the celestial warriors. They're also musicians. Okay, so when they come, they say this lake belongs to us. You cannot enter the lake without our permission. But Duryodhana, being Duryodhana, what does he say? He is rude. He says, "Do you know whom you are speaking to? You are talking to the future crown prince of the Hastinapura. All of this belongs to me. You cannot stop me entering the lake." Okay, and the Gandharvas, they become angry, and they wage a war, and they capture the Kauravas. The Kauravas get defeated, and they are captured by the Gandharvas. They are tied. Now the some of the soldiers from the Kauravas gang, they run around to find help, and as they run into the forest, they meet the Pandavas. The Pandavas are hiding in the same forest. Okay, and then they come to the Pandavas, and they talk to Yudhishthir, and then they're asking for help. Do you know the Gandharvas have captured the Duryodhana and his brothers? Please help us free him. Okay, so now Bhima is like, what is Bhima say? Good, let them suffer because they did bad to us. Okay, we're not going to help him. But Yudhishthir says, no, whatever it is, they are our brothers. We should go and free them. We should help him. And not only that, when somebody comes to us for asking for help, we should not deny. So let us go help and help them get away. So he sends Arjuna. So Arjuna is our great warrior again. He goes to the Gandharvas. Now the Gandharvas identify Arjuna. So they know he is a great archer, and he is the student of Dronacharya, and they also know he is a close friend of Arjuna, the close friend of Lord Krishna. So the Gandharvas immediately, they're very friendly, and Arjuna, when he says, please free them, they are my brothers, and please do not capture them, the Gandharva says, no, they were very rude, and they were misbehaving, and they were trying to take over our lake. And then Arjuna speaks to them, negotiates, and for the sake of Arjuna, the Gandharvas free Duryodhana. Now Duryodhana, he feels insulted and humiliated, okay, to be saved by the Pandavas. Okay, so from there he goes, he goes up, walks away. He doesn't show any gratitude. He walks away from there in anger and with much more sense of revenge. Okay, so this is a small story from this episode, a small story from the Mahabharata, where the Pandavas, despite being, despite the Kauravas trying to kill them, right, they still go ahead and save the Kauravas from the Gandharvas. Okay, so can any of you tell me, like, if you were in Arjuna's place, what would you have done? Like, if has there been any situation in your home or school where people have been have misbehaved or been rude to you, but you still were good to them, what would you do? Or what would be your reaction? One of you can share. Who wants to speak?
Can I say Vishruta?
Yes, Vishruta.
Ma, once in my school, a girl used to talk very rude to me, and then when she needed help, I helped her once. But I was not genuinely like into helping her. I wanted her to actually feel guilty for her rudeness, and yes, she did feel a very, very hugely guilty, and she tried to become my friend, and it made me feel happy and also get a sense of revenge at the same time.
Okay, you had okay. You felt happy because you made her feel guilty. Okay, okay. Who
Ma'am,
else wants to share? Yes,
ma'am,
Snigdha.
this is Snigdha.
Yeah.
Hania.
Yes, Snigdha. Then Hania. Yeah.
While learning chapter in Telugu, I saw like we were learning poet, so I saw one poet that means like if others do good to others and that same person do good to that same person who helped them. So nobody is great, but others who have did something bad to them, but still who got badness from others, still they do good from others means the goodness is great.
Goodness is great, right? Okay, very
In
good.
Telugu,
That's the story. Very nice. Hania, you wanted to share?
Yes,
What?
ma'am. Like when I was in the Arjuna place, I just helped them first. Then I just teach them the lesson how should we behave with others.
Yes. So you all will help the person, but you'll also make them feel that what they have done is wrong, right? Okay. So that was a nice response from all of you. So, but why did you think Duryodhana, instead of expressing his gratitude and saying thanks, he why did he walk away in anger? Why did he feel insulted and humiliated? Somebody else, not somebody was not always not Samapriya.
Ma, can I Vishruta?
No, Samapriya. First Samapriya, then Vaishnavi. Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am, Duryodhana did like this because of his dvesha towards the Pandavas, because of his excessive dvesha.
Excessive hatred, dvesha. Okay. Vaishnavi, what else do you think?
I think that from childhood onwards, Duryodhana was very jealous of Arjuna, and here this is an incident through which it was physically proved that Arjuna is stronger than Duryodhana. So he didn't accept the
So
incident.
that affected his
Mind.
ego, right? Yeah. So it is a very good point. Samapriya and Vaishnavi, both of you. So one is the Duryodhana had a lot of hatred towards the Pandavas, and he could not accept that. Accept any. He did not feel gratitude towards him, and then his ego was also hurt, and he felt all the more insulted. Okay. So why did you think Yudhishthira in the first place asked? Because they have been so bad to them. Just before that, they tried to kill them. But still, why did Yudhishthira advise Arjuna to go and help them?
Ma'am, can I, Virat?
Yes, Virat.
Ma'am, could be two reasons. Number one, Yudhishthira is doing karma yoga even though that he's not expecting anything in return. And he also has the raga that, oh, they're my brothers. I still love them even though they do anything to me because it's technically kith and kin.
But yeah, so one is he karma yoga. He is not expecting any goodness from them. He's doing it because that's the right thing to do. You do something because the raga also is in this particular story. It appears so, but he also says that when somebody comes to us for help, it's our duty to help, right? We cannot deny, and helping somebody in trouble is the right thing to do. We may not like it, but that is the right thing to do, right? Anybody has any other answer thing? As well, I'll ask one more question, right? Okay, tell me if there's in any situations. In this situation, there was something which Arjuna, Bhima, and Yudhishthira, in this situation, they did not really like the Kauravas, right? They didn't like the Kauravas, but still they chose to do the right thing. Okay. So can you come up with such instances from your home, school, or in your real life where you can choose between what you like, choose what is right over what you feel like? That any instances where you think you can, you could always choose the right thing to do instead of choosing what you like. Anybody who has not
Amma,
answered?
this is Neeta.
Yes, Nigda.
Like if my mother like scolds me, beats me, so I would get angry, and she after scolding or beats, she would tell me to work, which I don't like. So I won't just ignore it, like uh,
Hmm.
forcing myself not to do. Like I don't want to do like that,
Hmm. Hmm.
so I do the right thing. If my mother tells, if I do, what will happen?
Hmm. Yeah.
Do I
So,
leave this house or no?
okay, you think
So,
like that.
so
Okay.
if I do, nothing will happen. So I'll do my own.
Yeah. So,
But I'll do what
so
is
after
right.
getting scolding, also though you don't want to obey, but you obey because that's the right thing to do. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else? Can you all think of more such thing? Choosing what is right over what you like.
This would have happened to everyone, no?
Amma,
Mothers
can I
scolding.
tell Hania?
Yes, Hania, what do you want to
Amma,
share?
like my best friend name is Tanishka. Actually, Meenaja is her best friend. First, she was her best friend. They both got a fight, so they were not best friends. So I was talking to her. Meenaja, the girl actually fell and she had been fractured her leg. So, this girl has told, no, she's my enemy. You are my friend. No, you should not help her. Don't go. Like this, she was telling me. But I thought what she was telling is not right. Even though she was enemy, I should help her. I went and helped her. Amma.
Yeah, so despite your friend advising you not to help someone, you chose to do the right thing, though your friends otherwise.
Amma,
Okay.
can I say Vishruta?
Yes, Vishruta.
Amma, during exam time, I want to read my books, but I have to study, so I have to do the lat. So
Yeah, so you want to read your story books, that is your liking, but because there is an exam, the right thing to do at the time is study, so you choose to study. Yeah. Similarly, anything else? Yes,
Ma'am,
Virat. Who else is saying? So who is saying something? Yes,
ma'am,
Samapriya.
once from exam I remembered. Once I had my some social or in Sanskrit some exam in my school, and our places were shuffled in the class itself, and I sat beside two boys. Like I'm here in the middle, and here one is here, one is here. So we are all well writing, and suddenly that boy in my that was sitting in the corner had a doubt, and he was like, "Samapriya, show me the paper. Yeah, show me, show me. You are very good in studies, so good in Sanskrit. Show me, show me." Then the boy at the right side also was like, "Yeah, yeah, Samapriya, you can help her only, na, ma'am. She's talking only, na, on the phone outside only. 5 minutes, da." Then I was like, "Uh-huh." But I still I hid my paper from them, and even I told ma'am.
So you were like, so the right thing to do, though they were your friends, they are your classmates, they are with you, but the right thing to do is not help in cheating. So you picked up the right thing. Similarly, the food, okay, there is junk food. There's always an option. There's always an option between what you like and what is right. Okay, so when you're given a healthy food option, right, it's okay to sometimes indulge, but when you're given a choice, always pick the right thing to do, right, rather than what you like, right? So that is the moral of this story also. Okay.
And doing right thing at the right time is also part of karma yoga. Arjuna didn't want to fight. He was overwhelmed by his affection. But what was the right thing for him to do? To fight in the war. And Krishna advised him. That is why he had to teach him the whole Bhagavad Gita, 18 chapters, to make him understand. So, small incidents in your life, always choose the right thing over what you like.
Okay. Okay. Over to Uma ma'am now for Sanskrit session.
हरि ओम चिल्ड्रन सर्वे संस्कृतवर्गाय स्वागतम् समप्रिया जयमन्त्रं वदतु पठामि संस्कृतम्
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय निहजं सर्वं ददानयं संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन्
यजन्
आत्मानम्
करेक्ट्
आहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
धन्यवादः अद्य वयं सम्भाषणं कर्तुं प्रयत्नं कुर्मः अहम् आङ्ग्लभाषायां वदामि भवन्तः संस्कृतेन प्रयत्नं करोतु अस्तु वा फस्ट् वन् हान्या आगच्छतु
वसतु अम्मा
हरिः ओम्
हरिः ओम् हरिः ओम्
संस्कृतं संस्कृतेन वदामि वदतु
हरिः ओम् हरिः ओम्
नो हरिः ओम् वाट् यु टेल् इन् संस्कृतं नमस्ते
नमस्ते
hello you are telling no in English that is
yes,
called namaste namaskaraha in Sanskrit
namaskaraha
4 days before I put it in the group please all of you
okay.
study please yes next Vishruta agachatu
Yes, Amma.
good day
Good day. Pranamaha.
Otherwise you see in that cell also you see and tell okay next Adya thank you easy word
धन्यवादः
okay very good next Hanya Adya and Sai Nishant agachatu welcome
Forgot.
vadatu
I forgot, Amma.
swagatam simple
Swagatam.
swagatam
It's in Telugu also, that's why.
yes swagatam this must for every house no
Yes, Amma.
and then Hasini excuse me pardon me
I actually don't know how to pronounce it.
Kshamyatam.
Okay, Shamyatam. Okay.
Kshamyatam. Any mistakes are there? No? So, Kshamyatam, Amma. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Excuse me. Oh. Next. Hasini. Next is Snigdha. Agachatu.
अस्तु अम्मा
Don't worry. So nobody is read well. Simply coming and going for a Sanskritam. Is it fair? Okay. Next class you trained everything. Okay? Next. Okay. Don't worry. Chinta mastu.
Chinta mastu.
Okay? Chinta mastu. Don't worry. Chinta mastu. Okay? Next. V Vaishnavi agachatu. Easy word for you. Please.
Kripaya.
Kripaya. Very good. Next. Samapriya agachatu. See you later.
See you later.
See you again. Same word. See you again. After the class, we are telling no the same thing. What is that?
Punarmilamaha.
Punarmilamaha. Very good. Uttam. Next, Kushi agachatu. Karani Kushi.
अस्तु
All right.
अस्तु अम्मा
Correct. Astu. All right. Okay. Next. Virat agachatu.
Astu Amma.
Very good. What is that? In Sanskrit. Very good. I am using the word always in the class.
Amma, can I say Sai Nishant?
Amma, can you tell Hanya?
Uttamam.
No, 1 minute.
Uttamam.
Uttamam. Very good. Uttamam. Shobhanam. Okay? Both words. Very good. Next, Hanya. Excellent.
1 minute. Excellent.
Excellent.
Uttam. Bahut.
Bahu Uttamam.
Bahu Uttam.
Bahu Uttamam. Okay.
Oh,
Uttamam
Bahu
is
Uttam.
excellent. That is a very good means Uttamam. Excellent means Bahu Uttam. Okay.
Bahu Uttam.
Next. Adya Agachatu. What is your name? Madatu. You know the words. Sanskritam. What is your name?
Amma, for
Bhavatyaha
what?
Namaki.
For what is your name? Amma, I thought name for the
No,
name.
no. I don't want answer. Okay, Uttaram Navadu. Only question. I am asking, no, you tell the same word in Sanskritam. Okay? Then only you build the Sanskrit words for Sambhashana. Okay? What is your name?
Bhavatyaha Namakam.
Oh, very good. Uttam. Next, Vishruta Agachatu.
Yes, Amma.
My name is Vishruta.
Mama Nama Vishruta.
Very good. Uttam. Next, Hasini Agachatu. Which class are you studying in? Hasini? Are you there? Hasini, you are in the mute. I am calling you.
Yes, Hasini.
Sorry, Amma. One phone rang again. I went to give my mother.
Okay. Which class are you studying in?
Amma, Amma, what do you call 6 in Sanskrit?
Hasini, I am telling in Angla Bhasha, okay? English learner, I am telling that. You tell in the Sanskritam. The same word, the question. Okay?
Okay.
Which class are you studying in? Okay. I will tell you. Okay. Bhavati, vadatu, anuvadatu. Bhavati, kasyam kakshayam patati?
Kasyam kakshayam padati?
Bhavati,
kasyam
kakshayam patati?
Kasyam kakshayam padati?
Okay. Very good. Okay. Next, Snigdha agachatu. I am studying in the 5th standard. I am studying in the 5th standard. What?
Mama.
Prayatanam karotu. Akam. Anuvadatu. Akam panchama kakshayam.
Akam panchama kakshayam.
Patami. Akam. Akam no. Aham. Panchama kakshayam. Panchama. Kakshayam.
Patami.
Very good. Next class you will read well, na? Okay. Next, Rakshita agachatu. Bhavati kutra vasati? Do you know the Sanskritam? Same word. Rakshita. Bhavati kutra vasati?
You are telling in Sanskritam, Amma. You tell in English.
Okay, correct. Where are you living? Shamita. Where are you living? I told already answer. Lakshmi Mami told no. I told already the answer, ma. Rakshita. Where are you living?
Bhavati Utramashati.
Bhavati kutra vasati?
Bhavati Utramashati.
Bhavati kutra vasati? Okay. Very good.
Good evening, Amma.
Good evening. Who is telling good evening? Okay.
He's wait.
V Vaishnavi
Wait for.
agachatu. V Vaishnavi agachatu. Aham Chennai nagare vasami. Same word you tell. Okay. I am living in Chennai. Where are you living?
Aham Chennai nagare.
Where are you living? V Vaishnavi.
Mama.
V.
Aham.
You tell your place. Where are you living?
Aham Nagarkoil nagare vasami.
Very good. Aham Nagarkovil nagare vasami. She is telling very correct. Next, the questions are over. Next, the time is over, no? 10 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. But seniors' time is over.
Okay. Thank you. Dhanyawadaha.
Thank you, children. Senior session is over. Juniors have started joining. Hari Om, seniors.
Please
Mama.
practice this the next.
Mama.
Thank you.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
Nandan, Grahit are there. Vedan joining Sai.
Yes, I'm calling.
Samrita is here. Nandan and Grahit are there.
Amma, he'll come in 1 minute.
Okay.
Rakshita will continue. Junior. Okay.
Lakshmi ma'am, we can, I think.
Yeah. Rakshita, can you chant all the 3 prayer slokas of your own? Vakratunda.
Yes, ma'am.
You can chant all the 3 slokas of your own? Then start.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Namas.
Samaprabha.
Prabha Nirvigyam Kuru Medeva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Padmapatra Vishalakshi.
No. Guru Brahma.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Very good. Okay. So you want to join both senior and junior? Huh? Rakshita, you are in junior group or senior group? Okay, you repeat after me. This Dakshina Murti mantram we will chant today. Okay, Rakshita, can you repeat or you know that?
Amma, I will repeat.
You will repeat. Okay. Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Mahyam Medham.
Mahyam Medam.
Prajnam.
Pragyam.
Prayachya Swaha.
Prayascha Swaha.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Mahyam Medham Prajnam.
Masyam Medham Pragyam.
Prayachya Swaha.
Prayascha Swaha.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Mahyam Medham Prajnam.
Mahyam Medham Pragyam.
It is Mahyam. Ha. Mahyam.
Mahyam
Yeah.
Medham
Prajnam.
Pragyam.
Prayachya Swaha.
Prayascha Swaha.
Okay. Now, Vedant,
Yes, Amma.
you have joined, no?
Yes,
You know this, and already you know this sloka, no?
Yes, ma'am. I know it.
You chant first. Let me see.
Ma'am, which sloka? Dakshinamurti.
Dakshinamurti mantra. Yes.
Dakshinamurti namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurti namaha. Mahyam Medam Prajna Prajcha Swaha. Om
Okay,
Namo.
wait. Vedant. Om Namo Bhagavade Dakshinamurtaye. There is no Namaha. Already we have told Om Namo. So again you need not tell Namaha. Okay? So it is only Om Namo Bhagavade Dakshinamurtaye. Tell me.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtiye.
Mahyam Medham Prajnam.
Prajcha Swaha.
Tell me full now without making mistake.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtiye. Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtiye. Mahyam Prajcha Swaha.
Mahyam Medham Prajnam.
Prajcha Swaha.
Tell me the second line full. Mahyam
Medam Prajnam Prajcha Swaha.
Again repeat correctly slowly.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtiye. Mahyam Medam Prajnam Prajcha Swaha.
Again.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtiye. Mahyam Medam Prajnam Prajcha Swaha. Om
Once more
Namo.
slowly.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtiye. Mahyam Medam Prajnam Prajcha Swaha.
Correct. Very good. You have to chant like this only slowly. Okay? There is no Namaha after Dakshinamurti. So you have to correct yourself. Okay? You chant this sloka every day, no? Huh? I know
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
chanting. Every day you are chanting 3 times, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you chant correctly so that you will get all blessings of Dakshinamurti. Okay? Now, once more, Grahit, can you chant this Dakshinamurti mantra? Grahit?
Amma, I don't.
You don't know. Repeat after me. You have to learn this sloka. It is very important sloka. Okay? Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Mahyam Medham.
Prayatna Swaha.
Correctly repeat after me. Mahyam Medham.
Mahyam Medam
Prajnam.
Prajnam
Prayachya Swaha.
Prajcha Swaha.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Mahyam Medham Prajnam.
Amma, can you repeat?
Mahyam Medham Prajnam.
Mahyam Medam Prajnam
Prayachya Swaha.
Prajcha Swaha.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Mahyam Medham Prajnam.
Mahyam Medam Prajnam
Prayachya Swaha.
Prayatna Swaha.
Prayachya.
Thank you, ma'am, for the step.
Okay. So repeat once more. Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye.
Mahyam Medham Prajnam.
Mahyam Medam Prajnam
Prayachya Swaha.
Prajcha Swaha.
You have to chant this of your own next week. Okay? Learn this correctly. Slowly pronounce correctly. Tomorrow, next week, you have to chant of your own without repeating. Okay? Now, Nandan, can you chant this same sloka? You know, Nandan?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Chant then.
Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye. Mashyam Medam Prajnam Prayatsa Swaha. Om Namo
Very good.
Bhagavate
ॐ नमो भगवते दक्षिणामूर्तये मह्यं मेरां प्रज्ञां प्रयच्छ स्वाहा ॐ नमो
Slowly,
भगवते
slowly, slowly. Don't be hurry. Slowly.
ॐ नमो भगवते दक्षिणामूर्तये मह्यं मेरां प्रज्ञां प्रयच्छ स्वाहा.
Very good. You have learned it correctly. Very good. Now next, who is that? Samvrita and anybody else?
No, Samvrita only.
Only. Samvrita, you can chant, no, this?
Yes, mom.
Slowly you chant correctly.
ॐ नमो भगवते दक्षिणामूर्तये मह्यं मेधां प्रज्ञां प्रयच्छ स्वाहा ॐ नमो भगवते दक्षिणामूर्तये मह्यं मेधां प्रज्ञां प्रयच्छ स्वाहा ॐ नमो भगवते दक्षिणामूर्तये मह्यं मेधां प्रज्ञां प्रयच्छ स्वाहा.
Very good, very good. All of you must learn this sloka. This is very important sloka. Okay, all of you have to chant of your own. Okay, Samvrita, last week I told you to learn something. Is there any sloka I told you to learn?
No, ma'am.
Snanam.
No.
Ma'am told this. Snanam sloka, no?
First one, Govindeti Sada Snanam, I told everybody. You can chant, Samvrita?
Yes, ma'am. गोविन्देति सदा स्नानं सदा गोविन्दकीर्तनं गोविन्देति सदा स्नानं गोविन्देति सदा जपं गोविन्देति सदा ध्यानं सदा गोविन्दकीर्तनम्.
Once more, correctly you chant. Once more.
गोविन्देति सदा स्नानं गोविन्देति सदा जपं गोविन्देति सदा ध्यानं सदा गोविन्दकीर्तनम्.
Very good, very good. Now one more sloka I will teach you. You have to learn this, okay? Karacharana kritam va
करचरणकृतं वा
Kayajam karmajam va
कायजं कर्मजं वा
Karmajam va
कर्मजं वा
Karacharana kritam va
करचरणकृतं वा
Kayajam karmajam va.
कायजं कर्मजं वा.
Actually it is Karacharana kritam
करचरणकृतं
Vakayajam
वाकायजं
Karmajam va
कर्मजं वा
Shravana nayanajam va
श्रवणनयनजं वा
Manasam va paradham
मानसं वा पराधं
Shravana nayanajam va
श्रवणनयनजं वा
Manasam va paradham
मानसं वा पराधं
Vihitam avihitam va
विहित अविहितं वा
Sarvametat kshamasva
शवमेयद् क्षमस्व
Sarvametat
धर्मवेदत्
Kshamasva
क्षमस्व
Vihitam avihitam va
विहित अविहितं वा
Sarvametat
सर्वमेतत्
Kshamasva
क्षमस्व.
Jaya Jaya Karunabde
जय जय करुणाब्धे
Shri Mahadeva Shambho
श्री महादेव शंभो.
Jaya Jaya Karunabde
जय जय करुणाब्धे
Shri Mahadeva Shambho
Shri Mahadeva Sandhu.
Okay, learn this. Next week, if you can chant, okay. Otherwise, we can repeat once more. Okay, slowly only you can chant. This is little difficult. Everybody should learn. Any time I have got, Soumya, or
No, it's 5:30, ma'am. We will move.
yeah, we will move. Okay, over to
Over to
Soumya.
Suganya, ma'am, for stories.
Suganya, ma'am. Okay.
Namaste, dear children. Soumya ji, shall I try sharing?
Yes, ma'am. If you can come closer to the mic, slightly your voice is low.
Yeah.
Yes, we can see your screen. Yes.
Astu, thank you. Now let me do a slideshow now.
Your voice is a little low. Can you be a little loud, ma'am? There is some.
I'm audible now.
Yes, you're audible. There is a slight disturbance, but I think please go ahead.
Okay, I'll share it in the best voice I can. Okay. All right. Very good evening, dear children. Now is story time, and let's deep dive into the story right away. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the secret of success, and this is during the time of Devas and Asuras. So we all know who Lord Brahma is, right? The creator. And what happened is, Devas and Asuras, they were always at war because the Asuras always had Rajas Guna and Tamas Guna, and they were always creating trouble to the Devas and the world. So there was always some war or the other going on. But invariably, in all the wars, what happened? The Devas would win. So one day, what happened is these Asuras, they went to Lord Brahma. They said, "Oh Brahma, you're so unfair. You're so mean. You're only taking sides with the Devas, and that's why they're all winning every war. And you're not helping us at all. We are losing the wars because you're on their side." But you know what Brahma says? No, not at all. This never happens. I do not take sides. And the Devas, they do better only because they are very sincere in their efforts and they do their work, very sincerely. They have the right frame of mind, right thought process, and they always think of others first. Okay? So what Brahma did is, he said, okay, let me give a test for you both. First, you all, Asuras, and then I'll give the same test to Devas. Let's see what happens. So what does Lord Brahma do? He says, I'll give you all a feast, okay? But you're not supposed to bend your elbows. I'll give you all laddus. But while eating, you're not supposed to bend your elbows. And you should not bend your back. And when they said this, Asuras, they tried all they can. They ate like this, they tried eating like this, they tried throwing like this, they tried like a robot. Nothing worked. They could not eat even one laddu. And they gave up and they said, okay, we accept defeat. So then what happened? The humble Devas. And when Lord Brahma gave the same test to the Devas, they passed that test so easily. Can you guess how? I'll give you the secret. The Devas, they sat opposite to each other without anybody telling that they have such selfless nature, such sattvic guna. You know, they thought of others. They thought of the other Devas. So when they were the laddu, they just, without bending, they first fed the other Deva of them, and they won. So what happened? Lord Brahma then told the Asuras, look, you thought about yourself first, and that is why you could not eat the laddus. But the Devas thought of feeding others first. They were so kind. So everybody got the laddus, right? So the secret to success is, it is so important. What Brahma says is, those who think of the needs of others and who are not selfish, whose thoughts are dharmic, sattvic, they will all be, they are all in the right frame of mind. They will surely be successful, and they will always reap the benefits of their good deeds, good actions. If not today, if not tomorrow, one day or the other, definitely with Ishvara's blessings, they will definitely be successful, irrespective of whether it is an Asura or a Deva or Asura Guna or Devguna, right? And this is what Lord Brahma tries to say here in this story. And I wanted to check with you all. Do you all remember the story of Prahlada? Their Prahlada is also from Asura Vamsam, right? And his father is Hiranyakashipu. He was an Asura, but Prahlada had Satvik Guna, right? So when Prahlada, with his Satvik mind, doing good deeds for others, even though he was an Asura, his thought process was so good. He was blessed by Lord Narasimha itself. Similarly, we also have Mahakali. He is also from Asura Vamsam, but still he was also having such Satvik Guna. So it is important that our thought process is right and we do right things, do good for others, think of others first, and that will always help us achieve and be successful in life. And in fact, Soumyaji, if I have a couple of minutes more, I wanted to also share one real story along these lines, real life example.
Sure,
So,
sure.
thank you, Amma. So, children, a few years ago, there were floods, heavy floods. I don't know if you all remember, where in helicopters, people had to come and feed the people. A lot of people, they came in boat, or the children had to swim, and people had to swim to collect the food from the helicopters. Such was the situation. There, something, this is a real story. A small kid from slum, okay, about 10 years old or something, was also there. For 2-3 days, they had not had food. And the helicopters had come with food packets. There was only one food packet left. And there was a older adult or somebody, okay, who was not from the slum, was wearing a tip-top shirt and all. He was also not having food. He was also in the waters. So when they dropped the food packet, the poor boy, young chap, got the packet. It came to his hands. But you know what he did? It really amazed me. He immediately went to that older person. He said, "Uncle, you take this packet. I'm used to not eating for 2 days. But looking at you, I think you cannot bear it. Though you are, though we have not had food, I will bear it. I'm sure that I'll get the food again from somebody else. So please have this food packet and take it." Isn't this amazing? So, and this is the real story. So we all always should, wherever possible, first we have to think about doing good for others. And naturally, the right blessings and success will come to us with Ishvara's blessings. Okay? Dhanyawad. That's all I wanted to say.
Thank you. Did you all listen to the story? That was a beautiful story, right? Two stories you all got today. Okay. Yeah. So
Okay, now you will learn a simple bhajan on Ganesha. Be ready, only 4 of you are there, so all of you will get to sing. So first, listen. Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh. Samrita, repeat. Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh. Repeat.
Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh.
Grahit, repeat. Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh.
Gauri Ganesh. Amma, can you
Gauri Ganesh,
Gauri Ganesh,
Uma Ganesh.
Uma Ganesh.
Nandan. Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh.
Gauri Ganesh. What? Huh?
Uma Ganesh. Uma means Parvati.
Uma Ganesh.
Vedant. Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh.
Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh.
Now again Samrita. Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh. Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Parvati Nandana Shri Ganesh.
Repeat again.
Parvati Nandana Shri Ganesh.
Right. Parvati Nandana.
Parvati Nandana.
You have to sing, not say. Parvati Nandana.
Parvati Nandana Shri
Ganesh. Sri Ganesh. Repeat Sri Ganesh. Sri Ganesh.
Sri Ganesh.
Okay, Nandan. Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Okay, repeat again. Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Vedant. Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Nandana. Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
First, these two lines again we will sing. Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh, Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh. Samrita.
Gauri Ganesh, Gauri Ganesh, Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh, Parvati Nandana Shri Ganesh.
Ready? Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh, Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Amma, can you repeat?
Gauri, okay, one more line you sing. Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh.
Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh,
Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Parvati Nandana Shri Ganesh.
Very good. Nandan. Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh, Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh, Parvati Nandana
Sri Ganesh.
Shri Ganesh.
Vedant. Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh, Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Gauri Ganesh, 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 Uma Ganesh, Parvati Nandana
Sri Ganesh. Okay, third line. Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh. Samrita. Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Rahit. Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh.
Nandan. Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Very good. Vedant. Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
The Samrita. Last line. Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh. Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Shivanandana Pati
Ganapati.
Ganapati Ganesh.
Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Shiva Nandana Ganapatiye
Ganesh.
Ganesh.
Grahit. Shivanandana. Say.
Shivanandana
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 Ganapati Ganesh.
Ganapati Ganesh.
Full line. Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Mama, can you repeat?
Yes. Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Shiva
Nandana.
Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Ganapati. The T you have to little more elongate. Ganapati Ganesh.
Ganapati Ganesh.
Okay. Nandan. Shiva Nandana Ganapati Ganesh. Nandan.
I think this audio got stuck.
Nandan. Okay, Vedant. Shiva Nandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Ganapati Ganesh.
Ganapati Ganesh.
T you have to say little longer. Ganapati Ganesh.
Ganapati Ganesh.
Nandan. Shiva Nandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Ganapati Ganesh.
Ganapati Ganesh.
Okay, now full song. When we'll see. Gauri. You all sing in mute, all of you, okay? In mute itself. You wanna repeat. Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh.
Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh.
Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
All of you sing, repeat.
Are
I
you all
don't see you
singing or
repeating.
not? Your lips are not at all moving. How will you learn? When this Soumya ma'am is repeating, you all should repeat.
Sing with me, okay?
Again from the beginning. Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh.
Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh.
Parvati Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Parvati
Nandan sing.
Nandana Sri Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Gauri Ganesh, Uma Ganesh.
Okay.
Stop like that. Okay.
Okay. Before closing, one small game. Okay. All of you feeling sleepy? Wake up. Okay. I will say.
I'm not sleepy.
Yeah, I can see all of you are sleeping. So when I say Ram, you should all lift your hand. When I say Krishna, you should clap. Okay. Krishna. Unmute yourself, all of you first. I want to hear you clap.
For Krishna, you could do like this.
Okay, Krishna, you do this. And Rama, then Rama, you will show what?
Like this.
Like this. Okay, yeah.
Rama like this, Krishna like this.
Okay.
Quick.
Rama. Krishna. Rama. Krishna. Okay. Okay, practice all the songs, bhajan, okay, shloka, everything, and next week you should be ready. Lakshmi ma'am, we can do the closing
yeah.
questions.
Nandan can sing closing prayer. Asatoma.
Asatoma Sargamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Nityoma Amrutangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Thank you.